Plan books for my wood models are available at Amazon. The links are in the video description. Plans for today's project are also available at Amazon. There's both an Imperial and a metric units edition, so you can work in the system that you're most comfortable in. Hello all, this is SG DeVries, and welcome to the Wood Model Workshop and my super high-tech photo booth and automated display turntable. So after years of work, redesigns, putting it aside to work on something else, getting frustrated, starting over, I have finally finished my wooden wheel loader model. There's always a few people in the comments that don't believe me, but I can assure you this is entirely done by hand. I have not used a CNC machine on anything, I don't even own one, and none of these parts are 3D printed at all. This is all measured out by hand, cut by hand, assembled by hand. All four wheels of this model have wooden dowel roller bearings in the wheels, so the inner hub stays steady and the outer wheel turns around them. All of the mechanics of this model are run from a single control handle in the back. There is quite a bit of downward force that is needed when you're pulling the handle back to do the lifting operation, so I designed this anti-tip sphere in the back that you can adjust so it sits just above your surface. That way the machine won't rock when you use it. There are 4 removable pins in this design that allow you to take those pins out and remove the entire cab and the engine top deck. That way you can get at the interior of the machine to either show it off or to make adjustments to the control cables. Even with the top off, the machine is fully operational. Building and assembling this machine is much easier if you can take the wheels off. So I just designed all 4 wheels to be removable. It makes it easier to get at some of the steering cables, and also again, it's kind of fun to take these off and just to show off to your friends. The pins that hold the cab on are very securely fastened to the rest of the machine, because invariably somebody's going to do this. You can hear I still have a few squeaks to work out. Adjusting the dump cable tension happens at the back at the top of the handle, where there's a couple of pins to take up slack and a couple of screw clamps. With so many moving parts on this machine, it became essential to design a way that anywhere there was anything that had to move or rotate around a dowel, I had to be able to remove that dowel in case I needed to sand it a little thinner or make the hole a little bit bigger to accommodate for wood swelling or just changes in temperature. So almost every axle on this machine is removable. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed this look at my new model. It was a lot of fun to build and design, although honestly, I've been working on this one so long, I'm kind of glad it's done. But hey, I hope some of you decide to build it. Thanks for watching.